Let us examine fuel flow system and components used in DDIS engine. Fuel tank stores a specific amount of fuel in it, which varies as per model. It houses the fuel pump inside it. It is also equipped with a fuel level sensor to indicate the approximate amount of fuel in the tank to the user. Fuel pump supplies the fuel to the fuel filter, thus acting as a low pressure pump in DDIS system. The fuel pump is controlled by the ECM using the fuel pump relay. The pump is switched on as soon as the ignition is turned on, and if the vehicle is not started for more than 30 seconds, it automatically trips. Fuel filter is used to ensure the supply of clean fuel to engine. It restricts the entry of foreign particles in the fuel from going ahead in the fuel system. Fuel temperature sensor is installed on the fuel filter body. It gives fuel temperature signal to ECM indicating fuel density. This helps ECM to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. Diesel has a tendency of getting contaminated by moisture and water easily. This water is separated from the fuel inside the fuel filter, which may otherwise damage fuel filter, injectors, and in worst cases stall the engine. Fuel filter water detection sensor is used to indicate the accumulation of water above a preset level and the need to drain it. In DDIS engine, the fuel needs to be injected at high pressure of up to 1600 bar. This high pressure is developed with the help of a high pressure pump. The high pressure pump supplies fuel to the common rail. The common rail supplies the fuel to all the fuel injectors fitted on it. Fuel pressure sensor gives the high pressure pump supplies fuel to the common rail. The common rail supplies the fuel to all the fuel injectors fitted on it. It is always filled with high pressure fuel. Fuel pressure sensor gives the fuel pressure signal to the ECM. It is located at one end of the common rail. ECM uses this signal to know the fuel pressure available in the fuel rail. Fuel pressure regulator is an electronic device controlled by the ECM. It is used to maintain the desired amount of fuel pressure in the common rail. The fuel pressure regulator maintains the pressure by varying the amount of return fuel flowing back to the fuel tank. Fuel injectors are used to inject fuel into the engine. The amount of fuel that has to be injected is decided by the pressure of fuel inside the common rail and is governed by the ECM. They also have a return hose to send back the excess fuel left after each injection. DDIS vehicles are equipped with accelerator pedal position sensor. APP sensor is used to signal the amount by which the accelerator pedal has been depressed to the ECM. Based on this signal, ECM varies the vehicle speed by controlling the amount of fuel being injected into the engine. Clutch pedal position sensor is installed on the clutch pedal. It gives an on-off signal to ECM when clutch pedal is released and depressed. This helps ECM to control fluctuations in engine RPM due to variation in load on the engine during clutch operation. ECM controls the RPM by changing the injected fuel quantity during gear shifting. Let us examine the working of the air-fuel flow in the DDIS engine used in Maruti Suzuki vehicles. The illustration describes the schematic layout of the system components. Use the buttons given at the bottom of the screen to explore the working of the system.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.